So a lot of people take dings on their credits nowadays. Medical bills, you could have a car that gets repossessed, file for bankruptcy. There are a lot of ways that your credit gets affected, credit card debt. And when those things happen, they're unfortunate, and we realize that, but it's very difficult to get back on the horse and get your credit rebuilt again. So that's where Honest Autos comes in. If you come to us and you don't have any credit, or you've never established credit, or you've got poor credit, we can be the bank for you. And that's somewhat of a novel thing. It's called buy here, pay here. Not everybody does that, but we've been doing it since the 80s. And we can issue an auto loan with nothing other than a job and proof of your residence. Those are the only two requirements we have. So interest rates are variable depending on your credit situation. We're unique in the fact that regardless of your credit, we'll allow you to buy down your interest rate. So we view this as kind of a give and take with our customers. If you're willing to put some more money down, we'll give you closer to a prime rate even if you've got poor credit. So if you're willing to give a little more down, we're willing to offer you a much more reasonable rate. If you do have poor credit and you're working with minimal money down, you're going to pay a little higher credit rate.